Mary just called me. She said the birds are going crazy. We hear this clicking, tapping in the forest. Supposedly that's what the sound of Bigfoot is. The birds are going crazy, and I hear clicking. It stopped. I don't see anything. I didn't capture the clicking sound. It didn't sound like a woodpecker. It wasn't rhythmic, like two sticks being, and it sounded really close. The birds are going crazy. Birds have been going crazy for like 15 minutes. So we didn't catch Bigfoot on film.
The banging of the
two sticks. Yeah, but I don't think I got that on film. I just got the birds going crazy. And now here you are with the worm bin.
This is what we're suspecting that drew Bigfoot to us, is because this is the first time we've ever done this, where I'm collecting the fertilizer, you know, the worm castings from my worm composter. And maybe the smell, not that it has that much of aroma to it, but maybe it drew it. Maybe it came to kind of check it out to see what's going on here.